Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to give you a couple of tips on how you can grow onto Twitter from, well, simply like less than 100 followers to around 1,000 to 10,000 followers. So if you follow these steps, I can guarantee that you're going to get an increase in followers. So first of all, I'm going to open Twitter. Now, once I am in Twitter, there's a couple of things that you need to do first. First of all, you need to, the first foundation is the foundation and the look of your account, okay? I am someone who's not in Twitter, but I have helped a lot of people to succeed on Twitter. So here's an account that is a beta account that I just created, so we can get to see how we can grow on Twitter. So first of all, what I would recommend for us is to just follow a couple of accounts and just watch maybe celebrities or something, and just watch how they tweet and when do they tweet. Okay. If you can also copy what they do, or you can take some of what they tend to do and put it in your and just do it in your own way. But first of all, let us focus on a couple of things. Now, first of all, is that you need to have a good and you need to have a great bio. Okay, basically, you can edit your profile from here. What you need to do is that you need to have a great bio and an eye-catching bio, basically explaining who are you, what you do, and why you should follow me. Okay, basically, if you're a video editor, you gotta just put in your qualifications and who are you and when and how much you've been editing, what programs you use, and all this kind of stuff. If you're an influencer, it's the same thing. A blogger, it all goes, okay? Now, the second thing is that you need to make sure also you have a great profile picture that is clear and shows again who you are. You need to have clarity while on Twitter. Okay, a background image, and when I come in with a background image is important to just basically simplify what you do. Like, so you're going to simplify, like you're going to put a photo, your email, and basically for a video editor, professional video editor who use Premiere Pro. Okay. Now, once we have the foundation of our profile, one other thing that you need to make sure is that you're always active. Okay, you need to be active always on Twitter. Okay, like a tweet, like let's say 3 to 5 tweets a day. Okay, talking with people. Make the tweet simple, grammatically correct, punctuation. Make sure all of these are make sure all of these in your tweet are the best as it can be, and don't make it harder on yourself. Just like as I said at the beginning, you could just follow some influencers or something, or follow some people who have a lot of followers, and maybe you can actually get some experience from looking to their tweets, how they behave, their backgrounds, their profile photo, and all this kind of stuff. If you follow my tips that I just gave, I can guarantee that you're going to have a much more higher followers. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.